What's that? I have no idea, I'm afraid, mate. Oh, really? Yeah. No worries. Hello and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rise. I'm just leaving Bestwood Country Park. Okay, and that was the Bestwood Winding House, which if you just needed to be a bit quiet there for them horses. So if you caught last week and you want to have an idea of the route to Papplewick Pumping Station, say you want to do them both in a day, because it's possible. The only thing with Papplewick Pumping Stations is you have to choose the right day, and I've got a feeling today's a Friday, it's the middle of February at the minute as well, and I don't think they open until the autumn anyway, and I'm pretty sure it's not on a Friday either. But if you plan your days right, then it's entirely possible to do both in a day, because they're not that far away from each other at all. You've got an interest in the Industrial Revolution and old architecture and things like that. You know, I've not personally got a massive interest in it myself, but it's certainly interesting to some degree. But if you have got a big interest in it, it's certainly worth checking it out. So what I'm going to do now, folks, is I'm going to put some music on, and I'm going to fast forward the video so you can see the route to Papplewick Pumping Station. You know what, that annoys the hell out of me when you got someone who does 40 mile an hour in a 60 zone and then speeds through doing exactly the same speed in a 30. That's just annoying as hell. Slow down. Aha, there we go. Right, so Sundays, there we go. It's all in there, if you can see it. Closed today, next static opening Sunday 11 till 1 PM. So they do open Sundays. And they do actually do a steam every now and then as well, so they do set it working. What you can do, I'll put the link in the description. What I'll also have to do is actually stick you some pictures from off the web, because can't really see it because it's behind them trees over there. So it's definitely a Sunday outing, folks, if you want to see it. You can see over this, I mean that's not it, that's just one of the houses on there, in the same style as that one I stopped at before. But yeah, it's behind them trees over there, and there's a lake and stuff behind it. And if you go on the website, it looks quite impressive. If you're into your industrial design and your industrial architecture, then it's definitely worth checking out. And I'll try at some point this year to come on a Sunday, maybe when they've got a full steam going, so you can see it in action. That'd be quite impressive, wouldn't it? What's this over here? You got Sansom Wood. While we're there, let's just cross over and see what this is. You can see here, I mean, I don't know what that's for, but looks like pretty old technology. See, this is all blocked up as well. What's this? Sansom Wood. So that's an overflow car park for we're having events over there. Right, but that is a wood. That's what this, I believe this is all part of Sherwood Forest. I said I'm not from Nottingham. I moved up here a few years ago from down south. Just take a quick snapshot. It's not the most photogenic of bikes. The Indians certainly look a lot more photogenic than me Kawasaki. I've lost my train of thought now. I forgot completely what I was going to say. But this is what I want to do. If you like this, I mean, this sort of thing, this is what I'm going to try and do more of this year. Just go out and see some shit. I know we didn't really see much today, but yeah, let's hope at some point this year I can get up on a Sunday when it's open, and even if we see it static, so it ain't working, at least I can show you around it. Right. Where to next? Where to next, indeed. Right. Let's just go through meander, shall we?